Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Lyfy app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lyfy application on your device and you will see the Get Started button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to log in or sign up. Now choose your country from the drop-down menu and then enter your phone number, and now you can tap on the next button. You will then be asked to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your phone. So just check your inbox and you will find this code that you will need to enter. Once you enter this verification code, you will be asked to enter your name. Type in your first and your last name and tap on the next button, and you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address that you wish to use for sign up and then tap on the next button. You will now be asked to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your email address as well. So check your inbox once again and you will find this code right away. After entering this code, you can tap on the I agree button, and now you will be asked to add your payment method. You can choose your payment method or choose cash if you wish and proceed forward with setting up your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Lyfy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.